Unity is strength. The old man and his sons. An old farmer had four sons who were strong and healthy, but they constantly argued with one another. They fought over land, money, and trivial daily chores. The farmer was deeply worried about their future, knowing that their constant friction would ruin the family. He tried advising them, but his words fell on deaf ears. One day, the old man fell dangerously ill. Sensing his end was near, he called his sons to his bedside. He handed them a bundle of 10 thick sticks tied tightly together with a cord. He looked at his eldest son and said, "Break this bundle." The eldest son strained with all his might, using his knee and muscles, but the bundle did not even bend. One by one, the other brothers tried, but none of them could break the tied sticks. They threw the bundle down, declaring, "It is absolutely impossible." The father smiled faintly and untied the cord, separating the sticks. He handed a single stick to each of his sons and said, "Now try breaking them." Each son snapped his stick effortlessly into two pieces within seconds. The wise father looked at them and said, "My sons, let this be a lesson for life. If you remain united like the bound sticks, helping each other, no enemy can ever harm or defeat you. But if you divide among yourselves and keep quarreling, you will be broken as easily as these single sticks." The sons finally understood the value of harmony and promised to live in peace. So, the moral of the story is, united we stand, divided we fall. Unity brings immense strength.